Firstly, tell them to shut up. If that doesn't work, get out of bed and go over to them and lightly pinch their nose a few times. If they still continue to snore, shake their bed as hard as you can. If they are still snoring after all of this, tip their mattress over and throw all their bed stuff down the stairs. If your parents come running into your room asking what is happening, tell them to go away and to mind their own business. If you start to feel bad, don't. Remember, it's not fair that you have to stay awake listening to your siblings snore while they get to sleep. I promise you, you did the right thing.